Over the last few weeks, I've shown several demos of Pyramid's GenBI capabilities, triggering an avalanche of interest and questions. So in this quick demo, I want to address some of those questions, especially around the handling and security of data. I'm going to show you GenBI working on SAP ERP data directly with IBM's Watsonx LLMs. While this shows you functionality you may have seen before from Pyramid, this new demo shows an enterprise-grade AI experience operating on what would be highly confidential data using trusted AI language models without ever going outside to the public domain. Effectively, it means your GenBI experience and your data remain hermetically sealed. So starting with a blank canvas, talking to a financial data set. Show me amounts by accounts and account type by year.
Breaking down your request. I'll be back soon. Yay, it's done.
Okay, let's start refining this. Focus on expenses only and change this to a bar chart.
Putting it together now. I just need a few moments. It's all done.
Okay, now let's zoom in on labor expenses only.
Let me figure this out, and I'll be right back. Task complete. I'm happy to help.
Great. And that worked without any designation inside the dataset itself of what labor expenses are. Okay, so let's break out salaries now by department and organization for 2023 and redraw this as a column chart.
Examining the request. I need a few seconds.
Okay, terrific. A day in the life of a financial analyst, no code and no complicated tools, and without leaving the security of the corporate digital estate. Advanced GenBI directly on SAP with Watsonx. Pyramid, for what's really next in data.